Have you ever looked at your workday and felt like you were running straight into a tidal wave? Like, dang it, I'm about to get drowned, but what other option do I have? Guess what? I'm here to tell you that you have lots of options. Instead of drowning, why not surf the wave? Okay, I'm gonna stop with this analogy because it's just showing what a crazy California beach girl I am. But what I will tell you is that there are 5 simple steps to organizing my workday that have radically changed how I stopped getting overwhelmed and started getting productive. So let's start with step number 1. I set aside 30 minutes every Sunday to plan my week. Now, my week usually entails like meetings, interviews, project deadlines. So that's all like the big tasks that absolutely need to get accomplished that week. Step number 2, I schedule my week according to meetings and interviews. These are the things that have they have like booked appointments, they have set times, stuff that I can't mess around with. So once I have those locked in, then I plan out blocks of time that I can use to work without distraction. So I usually try to block about 1.5 to 2 hours at a time without any distractions. Now let's get into step number 3. Every morning, I wake up and I create my daily schedule. This will be a complete rundown of everything I want to do on that day. That includes small things like practicing yoga, making a green smoothie, and the time that it takes to ensure that I can actually make this happen. This daily schedule is a minute-by-minute breakdown of what I need to do and the pace that I need to work to accomplish everything. Okay, so for example, yesterday my workday began at 6 a.m. I actually woke up at 4:30 a.m., but I use my mornings to read, to meditate, to focus on myself, I pray. Okay, my work schedule looked like this. 6 a.m., I got up and emailed. 7 a.m., I catch up with the team and my messages in Slack. 7:15, I make bulletproof coffee. 7:30, I walk the dog with JD. 8 a.m., catch up with the Social Curator private Facebook group. 8:30, leave to work out. 8:45 to 9:45, I'm working out. 10 a.m., shower and prep for the day. 10:30, post on social media and respond to comments. 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., write Social Curator action plan. Okay, so I can go on and on with all of these details, but I just wanted to show you a sneak peek of how precise my schedule is. I've discovered that when I stick to my plan, I get everything done. Step number 4, I take time to plan breaks in my day. I walk my dog, I work out, I have random dance parties in my office. Nothing has helped me more to stay on track than planning and prioritizing small breaks to get my blood going and get creativity moving again. So our last and final step is step number 5. When my workday is complete, I hope to have everything on my to-do list crossed off, but sometimes it doesn't always work that way. Whenever this happens, I move whatever I didn't get done on one day to be my top priority the next day. So this helps me keep track of the things that need to get done to stay on my project deadlines. So I hope this helps, and if you would like to download my free productivity list, you can get started organizing your workday today with ease. And you can find that at jasminestar.com/productivity.